In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero training, how to create customer invoice for online entrepreneurs, 5 minutes. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. On the home page, click Log In, enter your credentials, and complete any security prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, open the business menu and choose Invoices. This is your hub for everything billing related. Click New Invoice to create a fresh one. First, choose the customer from your contacts. If they're not in your list yet, add a new contact with their basic billing details so you can reuse it next time. Keeping contacts tidy saves a lot of time later. You'll see an invoice number already filled in by Xero. It's auto-generated, but you can edit it to match your own numbering system. Consistent numbering is important for tracking and bookkeeping, so use a format that's easy to follow. If you need to include a reference, such as a project name, order number, or campaign code, add that in the reference field to help your client and your team identify the work quickly. Set the issue date. Xero defaults this to today, but you can adjust it if you're backdating or planning ahead. Next, set the due date based on your payment terms. If you've configured standard terms in Xero, they'll populate automatically. Otherwise, choose the exact date you want payment to be made. Now add your line items. Enter a clear description of the product or service, the quantity, and the unit price. If you use saved items in Xero, selecting one will pull in the description and price for you. Make your descriptions client-friendly so they immediately understand what they're paying for. For each line, pick the correct revenue account and tax rate. Choose the account that best represents the type of income and apply the tax rate that fits your region and situation, such as standard, zero-rated, or tax-exempt. If you're unsure about tax, check your local rules or consult your advisor. If you have supporting documents like a purchase order, timesheet, or agreement, click Attach Files to upload them. This adds transparency and reduces back and forth with your client. When you're ready, choose how to save. Use Save and Close to keep a draft you can revisit. Use Save to store your changes. If the invoice is complete and you're ready to send it, click Approve an email, review the email message, and send it straight to your customer. That's it. Your invoice is created, tracked, and ready for payment.